Hello, I'm Tony Van Ash, founder of They Poop, I Scoop. We're a mobile animal waste removal service located in the suburban Metro Detroit market. We currently service the Rivendell subdivision in Sterling Heights, Michigan only. Currently, we focus on dog animal waste removal, but we are looking to expand into wild animal waste removal in this area that would be centralized on the high concentration of geese that we get in some of the areas here. But currently, our services are the special event service, also known as the one-time spot pickup. That would be for birthdays, graduations, or just because you need to clean up in the yard, or the more preferred by us, weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly subscription services, which do put you on a schedule for regular cleanup. We have found success in our door-to-door marketing. Once we complete a service for a client, we go up and down the street, knocking on doors, looking for happy faces and wagging tails that may need our assistance in cleaning up yard, removing waste, and maintaining a healthy area for both homeowner and animal. We also love to take our customer referrals and turn those friends and family into additional customers, as well as our now referred to low introductory pricing. That has been the sweet spot that we have found for pricing that has allowed us to generate the most customers from visit and return over previous pricing models that we were working with. Opportunities in hindsight as well as expansion all remain roughly the same. We currently service a subdivision that could potentially be walked, so by expanding our service area into multiple subdivisions, the entire city, to neighboring cities, we could expand our market exponentially, which would then increase our potential for revenue. Also expanding our service hours, since we currently invest roughly 20 hours per week in this business, we are still somewhat limited on the hours that we actually perform pickups. So by expanding that, we would again expand the opportunity to build revenue. Last but certainly not least, brand marketing. That would be presenting a solid front for the brand. In this particular instance, that would consist of a uniform shirt as well as some signage for the vehicle so that we can maintain a professional appearance, as well as adding the additional exposure and marketing that we get from driving by customers as well as customer drive-bys while we are parked at a service. Profitability is currently all revenue. That is $140 in revenue. There were $0 invested in this company initially. It was all tools that we already had, and we have been using on-hand materials in the way of plastic bags being recycled for waste removal and disposal. Again, all while investing roughly 20 hours per week in the business. Taking that number and projecting out, if we were to maintain our current rate, we would anticipate seeing $1,400 in 1 year sales, with a further extrapolation to 5 years of up to $30,000 roughly. All this done because we have return customer rate of roughly 69%, or I should say revenue from return customers at a rate of about 69%. So we definitely depend upon our repeat customers. And in doing so and maintaining that projection out 5 years, we will have to do those brand marketing things we just discussed. That cost for uniforms and vehicle signage have been calculated out to roughly $3,000 over that time period, leaving us with roughly $27,000 in revenue on that 5th year, if we take all that cost in year 5. So what's in it for you as an investor? Well, exponential growth potential. Growth potential that could, peak past 1,000 to maybe even 2,000% growth. and low overheads, basically none. Labor, some investment in our brand marketing and in other marketing pieces, and potential replacement of tools over the course of those 5 years, as well as extremely loyal customers, all which result in high returns on your investment. Any questions?